welcome to Philosophy Vibe, the channel where we discuss and debate different philosophical ideas. My name is George, and today I wanted to release a message to our subscribers about some changes to the Philosophy Vibe channel. For those of you who have been following this channel over the years, you will know our content has been focused solely on academic philosophy. Whilst this was the purpose of the channel, we want to branch out a little bit more. We are now introducing a slightly different format. I will be releasing solo videos where I'll be looking at and pondering the philosophies and deeper thoughts behind movies, TV shows, books, as well as general interesting and thought-provoking topics around life, culture and the arts, or even just some bizarre musings I may have. These videos will not be so academically focused. They won't be relevant to any college exams or courseworks, but if you have an inquisitive and philosophical mind, this will be more of, let's say, an interesting and entertaining discussion. Now don't worry, our original format will still exist. John is still here. Hi everyone. And we will be releasing videos debating the academic side of philosophy. That's not going anywhere. But start expecting to see videos of just me sitting here discussing random, interesting and wonderful topics too. We're excited about the year ahead, and thank you to all our viewers and subscribers and how you have helped grow this channel. Take care, and I'll be seeing you all soon.